this is the lecture number 6. In this lecture we will discuss on difference between get C and get CHAR, get CH and get CHE. You can also check in Geek for Geek website. We are the member. We have written many codes in that website. My request to everyone that please also open your notebook and also open your laptop, compile this program. All these functions read a character from input and return an integer value. All these get C, get CHAR, get CH and get CHE. The first one is get C, reads a single character. The program has include studio.h for input output, int main. Okay, this is the main function. Return type is int. This bracket is open. Printf percentage of C, then comma, get C, and in this bracket you have written stdin. Then close this statement, return 0 and curly bracket open or closed. Okay, so what is the output? If you will input L, then your output is L. Okay, get C stdin, so it is taking your input. Then printf, it will be output. So this get C stdin, it will take input, then printf, it will be output. Now the next one is get CHAR. So this get C and get CHAR, this get C can read on any input stream, but your get CHAR reads from standard input. So you can think get CHAR, that is equivalent to get C bracket open stdin bracket close. So both are same. Here we have used get C stdin. So this and get CHAR both are same. If in this program, in place of this, if you will write printf percentage of C, comma, get CHAR and close this statement. So this and this both are same. Okay, so it is also reading one character and also it is reading one character, but the difference is it's read from the standard input. Now the second one is get CH. Get CH is non-standard function. This is a standard function, this is the non-standard function, and is present in conio.h, means you are in DOS header file, which is mostly used by MS-DOS compiler like Turbo C. If you are using Turbo C, then you will use this one, get CH. I think that you heard, but in present no one is using MS-DOS, so no need to learn this get CH. Now it's read single character from keyboard, but it does not use any buffer. So the entered character is immediately returned without waiting for the enter key. Means if you will write printf percentage of C, get CH, so your input is P. Suppose your input is P, without enter any key, your output it will be your output, then after then your program it will be terminate immediately. That is the meaning of get CH. You must write this code in your MS-DOS Turbo C, then you will get this result. And this get CH and this get CH, this one get CHE, this is get CHE, both are same. Only difference is in this program has include studio.h, int main, printf, you have to write this one, then return 0 this. Everywhere you have to write this program. Only we are changing this printf. Everywhere we are changing this printf. Here also we will change this printf. In place of this printf we are writing percentage of C, get CHE. So suppose you have input P without enter any key, it will become terminate immediately. But using DOS, if you are using DOS in Turbo C, it will show double G. Okay, there is only one difference, but here it will show only 1G, but it here in DOS. Okay, if you are using DOS, then it will be show double G, but here if you are using DOS, then it will show single G. G means sorry, this is P, this is single P. Okay, because your input value is P. Here it will show single P, but here it will show double P. Okay, so if you are using turbo C, so that is the difference. Now there are another new topics. I will use this page. The first one is puts. Okay, this is also another function. Write, it means write a line on output. Write a line on output. Okay, and another one is put CHR. These are very important. They will ask in your interview. Write a character. Write a character. Okay, it will write a character for output, and it will write a line. Puts means write a line. It will write only one character. Suppose only H, it will read only H, only L, only O. You cannot write your name. Okay, but it can write. Now another one is main function. What is the main function? Already we have discussed main function. This is the block of statement. Number one is block of function is block of statement. In every program there is at least one function and its name is main. And program, your program execute, you must learn it by execute by main function. Main function. So main function is compulsory for every program. So such definition they have asked many times if you are preparing for your interview. And the last one is header file. Header file. So your header file, its extension, I think that you have heard, extension is .h. Has include studio.h. I think that you have heard this one. We are writing this program, such type of program many time. Has include studio.h. So your extension is h for header file. It's contain, you must write it, contain C function, declaration, and macro definitions. Macro definitions contain all source file. Contain all source file. Source file. Okay. So you have to use, if you are using including anything in your header file, then you will use has include. Okay. You have seen has include. If you are using any header file, then you have to use this one. So these are the main topics. If you are preparing your interview, then such topics they have asked in your previous year exam. This, what is the difference between get C, get CHR, get CH, and this get CHE, and what is put, difference between puts and put CHR, what is main function, what is header file. Okay, so my request to please write this program in your compiler, and you must compile. Okay, only in this program you have to change this printf. Okay, then you must run this program and you must check that what is the output. Okay, thank you so much.